Global News Calgary weather. A snowfall warning remains in effect. 10 to 20 centimeters expected over the next couple of days. Snow today with a high of -8. More snow tonight, the low -10. Cloudy with more snow tomorrow, the high again -8. It's -10 degrees. Breaking news when it happens. Our next scheduled news at noon. I'm Tony King. Aloha. Cochrane Mounties have closed the eastbound lanes of the Trans-Canada Highway coming into Calgary. There have been numerous crashes and multiple vehicles are off the road around Old Banff Coach Road. No word when the highway will reopen.